Magluto tayo ng pork ribs. Ayan guys, na-marinate ko na siya. Black pepper powder, salt, oregano, and barbecue sauce. So here, carrots and potato. We put olive oil, salt, we marinate salt, ayan, black pepper, ayan. Did you heard the sounds, big sounds? Because I have garlic. You heard the sounds, guys. I'm making laundry while I'm cooking. This is the life here in Canada. So I cook this morning before I go to work, so that when my husband come home, he have something to eat. That is life here. We need to do something, organize every day, or else we don't have food if we are tired from work when we come home. Ayan. Okay, so we're gonna bake this. Put some other olive oil so that it's not gonna burn. We bake this one for 2 hours. We put some other oregano, this one. I like oregano. It's one of my favorite oregano. Okay. And then we can put this one. We put some a little bit water. Okay. We're gonna put it here in the oven. It's heat already. Go. We have banana also. I miss this kind of banana. Saba in Philippines. So we're gonna fry. Ayan. Tignan nyo guys. Malapit nang maluto. Ayan. Luto na. Oh my gosh. See that? It's cooked. Oh my. See that guys? It's cooked. Look. And the potato. Ayan guys, luto na naman tayo. Have a blessed morning.